Good afternoon everyone. I'm Joshua Basilet and I will demonstrate to you on how to measure a resistance, current, and voltage using an analog multi-tester. So first thing we do is we measure our voltage. We use the battery of 1.5 voltage. So first we calibrate our multimeter and don't forget to don't touch this metal pointers of the probe. So we adjust this. So next, to measure our voltage of the battery, we move this switch knob to DCP. I choose 2.5 because our battery is 1.5. So let's measure it. So since we choose 2.5, our reading is 0 to 250. So our battery is 1.5 voltage. So next we measure our resistor. So we move our switch knob to times 10. I choose times 10 because my times 1 is not functioning well. It will not calibrate correctly. So our reading here is 0.5. So 0.5 times 10 equals to 5 ohms. So next, in measuring current, we attach our resistor to our battery like this. Then we move our switch knob to 0.25. So our reading is 0.25 milliamperes.